welcome to myToystv. Today we're opening giftems. Here's one and girls.
Where are they from? Today we got one from China, from Beijing, and another one from Canada, from Montreal. Bonjour. You know they speak French in Montreal.
And from sick.
Yeah.
And we had a mystery one too.
Yeah.
Later you gotta help me see what their name is. China lady. I took her hair off. Oh no! She has no hair!
She had no hair.
Okay, I just help her put back her hair. Now, is the purple your favorite color?
Yes, purple is my favorite. What's her name?
So, it's Z-H-E-N.
Jen.
Z-E-N. Z-E-N.
Jen Zen. From China. It's a dragon girl. China girl.
China girl. Okay, let's put her here. With here so you don't know what her name is. Let's open the mystery box. I can't wait to see them. Baby. Oh, where's she from?
It's a golden box.
Colo. It's C-O-L-O-M-B-A. No, B-I-A.
Colombia.
Oh, Colombia.
She is from Colombia. They speak Spanish.
She's Spanish girl now.
The Colombian girl, but she speaks Spanish.
She's Spanish girl.
No, Colombian.
No, you said it's Spanish.
No, they speak Spanish.
What's her
Colombian.
name?
Her name is called Brocky Bogota.
Brookie.
Yeah.
Broccoli.
No, Boki Bogota. Bogota
I
is,
thought you said
Bogota is
broccoli.
the capital city of
I
Colombia.
thought you said broccoli.
Not broccoli.
Yes.
You love broccoli? Or do you love broccoli?
Yes.
Yeah, I love broccoli too. You love Pocky?
What?
You love Pocky?
Yeah. Let's see if find out what her
This
name
girl
is.
is from
Her name is T.
you're moving around, I cannot see clear. What? Hey, my eyes are Michelle Montreal.
Michelle Montreal.
And bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, mademoiselle.
Bonjour, mademoiselle.
Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
La Chano, something like that. I don't know. I don't speak French at all. Let's have a close-up of that. Which one you like most? Comment down below.
You like Audrey the most.
Yeah, because you are the host of the this channel.
Okay, you say. Hi, my name is blah blah blah, and
My name is blah, blah,
my
blah.
favorite color is purple. Hi, my name is blah blah blah. My favorite color is gold and black. Hi, my name is blah blah blah. My favorite color is white and pink. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So do you want to press the subscribe button? And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye, purple, gold, pinker.